Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, Word can't do this because the dialog box is open fix. First method is right-click taskbar, click Task Manager. Right-click Windows Word, click End Task. Second method is click File, click Options. Click Add-ins. If any add-ins available, remove add-ins one by one. Third method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Select Microsoft Office, click Change. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.